3 o'clock in the morning. It's 3 o'clock in the morning and these guys are keeping us awake. Why on earth are you working at 3 in the morning? It's 3 in the morning. Why don't you do that work during the day? You're keeping this whole building awake at 3 in the morning. Is there any earthly reason why you need to do this?
Because we're working nights.
Why don't you work nights where you're not disturbing everyone? Okay. Do the construction during the day.
Okay, got you.
What do you mean, got you? Hey, there's people fucking sleeping here, jerk off. I'm gonna call the police for disturbing the peace. All right. I cannot believe it. You work for a hospital and you disturb everyone's peace. You work for a hospital and you're ruining our life. You're on video. I got the video of your truck.
In the end, it's our ideals, our values that built America. Values that allowed us to forge a nation made up of immigrants from every corner of the globe. Values that drive our citizens still. Every day, Americans meet their responsibilities to their families and their employers